Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I recently took a trip to Wales, and my favorite food from Wales is Welsh Rarebit. It's basically a glorified grilled cheese type meal. Well, I've decided to take the concept of Welsh Rarebit and mix it with a bread pudding. I'm making a Welsh Rarebit bread pudding. I've cut up a crusty French bread. These will go in a prepared baking dish. In a bowl, I need 4 eggs, a cup of cream, and some black pepper. Whisk that up. Pour that over the bread and let it soak up all the goodness. And now I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make the cheese sauce in a skillet. Let's melt a few tablespoons of butter. A couple tablespoons of flour. Let's cook that up. After about a minute, I'm going to add a half cup of a dark beer. I'm using this French toast stout. A little Worcestershire sauce. A little mustard powder. And then mix in 2 cups of sharp cheddar. Stir that together and let it turn into a cheesy sauce. And then this saucy goo gets spread over the top of that. It's nice and gooey. It doesn't look pretty, but it smells amazing. Now you just broil it for a couple minutes until it's bubbly and brown. Here we go. Whoa. I love it. So good. Totally a Welsh Rarebit. And totally a bread pudding. This is amazing. I love my brain sometimes when I come up with these wild combinations. You should try it too. I was gonna cook alligator for dinner, but then I realized I only have a crock pot.